To plan a family reunion, start with a clear vision. Choose your date early and keep everyone organized. First, define the reunion. Is it a casual afternoon, a weekend away, or a larger destination gathering? Decide what success looks like. Estimate attendance realistically, and share planning responsibilities before the details grow. Next, choose 2 or 3 possible dates, gather quick input, and pick the one that works for most people. Set a realistic budget early. Keep costs simple, clear, and aligned with the kind of reunion you want. Skip the packed schedule. A few anchor moments and unstructured time usually create the best memories. Finally, keep details, RSVPs, travel information, updates, and family memories together in one central place. The best family reunions are not about perfect details. They are about making it easy for people to reconnect.
Visit myevent.com to start your reunion today.